どうも、こんにちは。
どうもこんにちは。
ラスベガスのステマショー、ルミナスブース来ました。インタビューしていきたいんで、よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします。
はい、まずは自己紹介をどうぞ。
안녕하세요. 루미너스 대표 김주영이라고 합니다. 잘 부탁드리겠습니다.
Hi, my name is Jaeyoung Kim from Luminous CEO, and thanks for you guys for participating in this event, this interview.
では今からルミナスに質問をしていきます。
질문하겠습니다.
네.
まず一つ目の質問、ルミナス立ち上げのストーリーを教えてください。
So when we make our company in Korea, we only can found any international brand only when we release our company. He has interest for a car and he has passion for the management, so that's why he started his job. So we have a co-CEO name is Mr. Lee. They released their company with both of CEO.
じゃあ2つ目の質問していきます。お客様からのフィードバックや要望をどのように取り入れて新しい製品開発に生かしていますか？
저희 회사 안에는 연구소가 있습니다.
So we have a lab on our company. We have a co-CEO name is Mr. Lee, and then he is director of the lab on our company. And then we have a lot of organization or association for detailing car or detailing something in Korea. And so co-CEO Mr. Lee, he participated organization and association, and then he shared feedback and he got the feedback from them. And then he got feedback there and he utilized that feedback to develop our products.
3つ目の質問をしていきます。
3번 질문 갑니다.
ルミナスの製品やサービスが他社と一線を画す独自のポイントは何ですか？
So our Luminous, we have 50 products. Our products, we have a rubber and then glass or plastic. So for its content, we need to match with our products. And for other competitor, they have all-in-one products, but we have a segmentation for our products. So that's our top selling points.
じゃあ最後の質問。これからのルミナスのビジョンや目標、新しい取り組みについて教えてください。
In this industry, we have a different tasty and a different needs. So it's really hard to satisfy all the customer needs and tasty. But we want to satisfy everyone to use our own development and then own skills. And then for right now, we exported with 10 countries. And he wants to broaden our name and brand name in the world. Especially, we realized that we are famous in Japan. We really appreciate collaborate with the Kyoto companies.
では日本のルミナスユーザーに対して何か一言メッセージをください。
We launched our products in 2 years ago, and then it's very short time, but we got the affection and then love core from the Japan. So we really appreciate it for them. And we're gonna collect information from Nakatani, and then we're gonna collect their needs and Japanese needs, and then what they want, what they expect, and what they anticipate from Nakatani-san. So we try to develop our product with the Nakatani-san.
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
どうも。じゃあこれからもルミナス頑張っていきましょう。
はい、頑張っていきましょう。
頑張っていきましょう。頑張っていきましょう。頑張っていきましょう。ルミナス。
1、2、3頑張っていきましょう。
1、2、3頑張っていきましょう。